Hello all my viewers around the globe, welcome to my channel. In the last couple of days or months, so many people developed fear after the collapse of FTX exchanger, and every person in his mind is asking himself or herself, how can I keep my cryptos safe? So if you are among of the people who are asking himself or herself the same question, this is your video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. Today I'm going to give you the safest blockchain where you can keep your cryptos safe and secure without any problem. Might be for months, might be for years, and remain safe. The safest blockchain in crypto space is called blockchain.com. So you can see, make sure that you use blockchain.com. If you use another URL, you can get scammers. But how safe it is? So when you come here, blockchain.com is said to be very safe. All traders and funds are protected with multiple layers of security. So some of exchanges, they don't protect all layers right from layer 1 and layer 2. But blockchain.com protects all layers right from layer 1 and layer 2. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use blockchain.com and keep your money there. Blockchain.com looks like this when you open it. There is also, it is one of the simplified blockchain on internet. So when you come here, you find home, price, and earn. This is the total balance. This is where you're going to find your balance whenever you deposit your crypto on blockchain.com. So this is home, this is your portfolio. So this is US dollar, Bitcoin, these are holdings. So if you have your money, you'll find all of them here. So if you want to see more of them, you can see even here the view the prices. When you come down here, you'll find the airdrop. Still, blockchain.com also has airdrops. So when you come here, you'll find a lot of airdrops like here. The safest and easiest way to try and discover new crypto, and in most cases airdrops from blockchain.com, since it is the safest. So all the airdrops from blockchain.com, they are the safest, so you can put your money. So as of now, we don't have any program concerning airdrop, but with time they will be deposited. So after here, you'll find an exchanger. So you click here, and this is how an exchanger or blockchain exchanger looks like. So with time, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can use blockchain exchanger one by one. So just subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Simo Crypto. So after here, you can see the pricing. You click here on price. So these are the prices of coins. So you can see this is Bitcoin, this is the price. This is the price change in 24 hours. This is the market cap, and this is the balance. So if you have the balance or you have your money on blockchain, you'll find your balance here. So this is the action. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can click here and buy Bitcoin without any problem. So you can see all of the coins that you might be need to see. They are all here. So you can see Ethereum, Tether, and so many coins that you want to see. So if you want to search, you can come here on this bar here, then you put the coin. Might be, let's say maybe you want like ADA. So once you put here ADA, they will give you all the coins concerning ADA. You can see all of them, like here, from here up to here, you can see all of them. So that's how pricing looks like. Let's go to earnings. As of current, earnings is still new. So you can get a lot of rewards on earnings on blockchain.com. So there is passive rewards, monthly rewards for holding crypto with us for eligible users. So you can follow this step and see how you can get. There is staking rewards, active rewards, and compare products. So when you come here, you can see how you can get your money. So this is the balance, start earnings, the type, active rewards, rates on how you can get your money. So if you want to enter, you just come here, get started, and you click here. So you follow the steps here and you continue. That's when you get staking considerations. But before you enter, once staked, Ethereum funds can't be unstaked or transferred for an unknown period of time. This might be up to 6 to 12 months away, but it could be even longer. Your Ethereum will also be subject to boarding period of 3 days before it generates rewards. So you have to learn more before you start generating or staking on blockchain.com. So you can see all the actions that you can get even higher, like this one. All of them you can make research and put your money here. You can start earning from here. So another thing, it is send and receive. So with sending, this is where you're going to send your crypto. Like when you want to send your crypto from blockchain.com, you can come here and send. So as of now, unfortunately, I don't have any fund that I can send, but you can buy and receive crypto. So you can follow all the procedures if you want to send crypto. If at all you have crypto, maybe you want to send it from blockchain to an exchange that you want to use, you can use this button to send crypto from blockchain.com. And if you want to receive from maybe an exchange, sometimes you find the market when it is not friendly, so you have to send your crypto to be safe from an exchanger, so that when the market stables, you can enter the market. So you have to first send your crypto on blockchain.com, and make sure, please, when you are sending crypto and when the market is not good, please send it in stable coins like USDT. There is BUSD and other coins that are stable. When you see the market is not stable and you send your money in Bitcoin and like Ethereum, then it means your money won't be stable again. It will reduce depending on the price. But when you send it in stable coins, it means your money will be safe and will remain the same. So when you come here on receive, this is where you're going to receive from. Select and share your address or quick code to receive crypto from anyone around the world. You have to first select the private key wallet so that you can receive crypto on blockchain.com. And again, if you want to trade, you can still come here and see how you can trade your crypto from blockchain.com. So use your cash or card. You can sell or swap or deposit and withdraw at the same time to your bank. So all those shortcuts are here on blockchain. Just follow it and make sure that you use blockchain.com before you enter it, because there is a lot of scammers that they use the same platform, and this one is the safest. As you can see, even on Google, blockchain.com is said to be very safe. All traders and funds are protected with multiple layers of security. So I refer this blockchain to be used, of course. So hope you've got everything well. Bye for today. Good luck.